Many people believe that the Indian American community talks a... 1 minute, just a minute. Many people say that Indian Americans talk a lot but don't do anything. In fact, the other day, one minute, Jagdish Bhagwati said, the Indian American community is caught in puja culture. You want your photographs on the camera, but you won't do anything, you don't do enough for India itself. How do you respond to that? Why doesn't the Indian American community do more for India? Why don't you lobby more strongly for India? Come on, give me an answer.
I'd like to share something. Ask.
Why is the Indian American community not doing more for India itself? You want your photograph on the camera, but you don't want to do enough.
Okay, I'll tell you something. Ask each and every Indian over here. He will have some investment in India. He's making money here, but he's investing there just to support his country, his back home, his relatives. That is our contribution to India. We want Indian economy to grow. We want...
So I really want to know this. Do you believe that the Indian American community is now coming of age?
Yes.
That you are now, Indian Americans have done very well in America. You've been top doctors.
Yeah, that's correct. I mean, we earn here and we send our money back to Mumbai. I'm from Mumbai. I'm trying to make an investment in Mumbai. But the prices in Mumbai are exponentially high, but we are still trying to make that money and send it back in Mumbai. So you cannot say that we are not making money.
I want to show you this. I want to show you. I will ask you a question. You want to answer my question? You want to answer my question? You want to answer my question? It's an interest. Okay. This is America. This is America. As you can see, okay, there are two. You want me to ask you a question? They don't want to answer. There are two Indias. You want to answer? It's live on TV. Okay. I'm going to ask you a simple question. You're here today. I'm here today. Right? This is the great democracy of the world where there are different views. Right? Some of you believe that the media was unfair to Modi. Right? 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 Are you going to let me ask a question? Right? I want to know today whether the world has changed, and whether you believe now. Okay. Okay. So there you've got it. As you can see, this is very much. Tell me one thing. 1 minute. Did Narendra Modi teach you to behave badly? Did Mr. Modi tell you to behave badly? Did America tell you to behave badly? Okay. So, as you can see, these are the best way to describe these. The best way to describe this crowd is a frenzied Narendra Modi crowd. You've got to live with that. Back to you in the studio. He cannot abuse me. I was doing a job. He cannot abuse. I was doing a job. He cannot abuse. No, relax. Okay, just relax. No one can abuse.
अरे तुमने बहन को यही काम किया है हाँ सही बात है सही बात है
Live in India, why do you want India's image to be this? Is this the image you want to Please, I'm not going to hold back, my friend. Okay? I'm a farmer. I live in India. I'm a proud Indian. You cannot use this language. You are bringing disgrace to the Prime Minister. You are bringing disgrace to him. Don't worry about that.